Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, like I always say, please hit that subscribe button below. We're almost to 4K. I want to hit 10K by like early January, guys, so please subscribe to join the family. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. I'll be showing you how to make these business shirts. Pretty much you can sell them or even make them for yourself, for your own business. They're really easy and they're super cute, and they're actually really, I don't know, they're just fun to make. But all right, guys, stay tuned. Here I already did the one logo for the shirt for the customer, but right here this is what she wants on the back of two of the shirts. So I'm just showing you how I did the first one but with different wording. But yeah, pretty much I just did it regular, and then I did it again, and then I'm gonna change the stroke. You'll see here in a second, but I'm gonna change the stroke right here, and I'm gonna put it all the way up. So that is the background of it. That is going to be the gold, like that you see in the picture of the thumbnail. And hey guys, don't mind my my wallpaper. Rest in peace, King Von. But yeah, his fine self. But anyways, I'm gonna upload these images into Cricut, and then you know how it goes. You just you click inside the letters, whatever you don't, what you want weeded out and all that good stuff. So yeah, pretty much you can do that for both of the words. My Cricut, guys, is in the background. I am working while I am making this video, but right now I brought a shape in. I added a shape, and I'm covering it over the separate the two words. So I sliced it, and then I'm gonna delete the gray, so then it's just the words. And then I'm gonna do that again for the strokes, so then they cut separately, of course, because they're gonna be different colors. So pretty much I'm just cropping it. That's what slicing is. It's pretty much cropping it in the Cricut Design Space. So then I'm gonna do it again for the Blinks Minx. See, this is her business name. Blinks Minx is her business name, and I think Blinks Baby might be just like what she calls her customers or her workers or whatever. But yeah, so pretty much I do the same thing for that, and then I'm gonna change the colors of these. I'm gonna make one of them pink, one of them gold, and then I'm gonna do the other ones purple, the other one gold. Like on one shirt, she just wants pink and gold for the words, and then for her shirt, like her business shirt, she wants it purple and gold because she already has a pink and gold one I made her like a few months ago. But yeah, guys, pretty much I'm just changing the colors right now. Here I forgot to add in a Instagram logo. She wanted the Blinks Minx, like she wanted her Instagram pretty much name on the back of her shirt. I forgot to do that. So I'm just looking up an Instagram logo. I saved the image, and I just saved the regular black one because I'm going to make the Instagram logo like the same color as the Blinks Minx, if that makes sense. Sorry guys, I'm trying to remember. But yeah, so I just added that in, and then I changed the color to purple because I'm going to make it the glitter purple as well with the Blinks Minx. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing here. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to like line up my voice with what I'm doing. I forgot what I did in the the screen recording. But yeah, so I'm doing that, and then I'm gonna be copy and pasting these because two of the shirts are gonna have the pink and gold, and then one shirt's gonna have purple and gold. And I forgot, on the front of her shirt, she did want the trap. Yeah, the lash trap. Okay, sorry guys, I'm trying to remember. But yeah, she wanted the lash trap. I made that in my Fonto app as well, just like I did the Blinks Baby and the Blinks Minks. So I did that, and I'm just adding it into my Cricut right now. I'm just taking out all the stuff that I don't, I want weeded out. And then I'm going to insert it into the Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to slice it and pretty much just make it the colors that I want it to be, just like I did the other ones. Almost forgot to do this. You're going to want to slice the, like that right there, like the Blinks and the Minks, because you don't want to overlap the vinyl. You can, but long term you're gonna want to slice it into it, so then when you do put the vinyl, it's not overlapping, because overlapping can, like, when you wash it, it can tend to like peel together. It's hard to explain, it just doesn't adhere as well. So right here I'm just slicing all the images, so then I take out the gold that was behind the Blinks Minks or the Blinks Baby or the lash trap, just so therefore when I do layer it on the shirt, I will show you when I do it on the shirt, it pretty much they both adhere to the cotton than just one of them, if that makes sense. Doesn't matter if you're just doing one color shirt and you're not doing like a background behind like a letter, but this is just for like layering. But yeah guys, just make sure you mirror your image, and then you're going to set your material to glitter iron on, and then you're going to hit make it. I'm just showing you that I did do the shiny side down. Just make sure you do shiny side down, and make sure you do mirror image like I said before. But yeah, make sure you do shiny side down when you do heat transfer vinyl. Otherwise, you'll waste a whole bunch of material. Okay, so once the pink glitter iron-on is done, I put the purple one on, and it is ready to cut. I did the same setting. I did the glitter iron-on setting, and make sure it is shiny side down. Now I'm going to do the same thing to this holographic one. The setting I did is holographic iron-on. You could do glitter iron-on. It'll pretty much cut it the same, but I just wanted to make sure it was accurate. But yeah, this vinyl I believe I got from Amazon as well. Okay, I already did this one. I weeded it already. But this one right here, I am just weeding it. I'm just going to show you how to do it. If you already know how to weed, then you can just skip this part. But some people asked for me to show how I weed stuff, so this is how I do it. I just pretty much just start tearing it. And with the Siser brand or Sister brand, however you say it, it's really easy to tear it without like peeling any of the letters with it. The Cricut brand is a little harder. It kind of tears the letters with it, if I remember correctly. But this brand is super nice, and I've never had a problem with this. But yeah, pretty much I'm just tearing it all off. And then I go in and I just take out all them little, pieces inside the letters. So yeah, that's pretty much what I do for all of these. When you notice me weeding the holographic, you notice that when I sliced it, the letters were supposed to come out of the holographic, so then when I do put like the purple or pink on it, it sets right inside where the letters are supposed to be. Well, my Cricut, I don't know if it just like had a lag or something, it did not even cut any of the letters out of any of the gold holographic parts, which is super weird to me, but I do recommend doing that just so it adheres better. But yeah, so I set my heat press to 305. So yeah, I'm pretty much just trying to line up my holographic on there, because that's what's going to go on first. And then I'm going to layer the glitter vinyl on top of it. And right here, I'm trying to get my cameraman to work with me, my little brother. He was not doing so well at first. But yeah, pretty much I'm just getting this ready to press. I press the holographic down for about 10 to 20 seconds, and then I'm going to put on the purple glitter that goes on top of this, and I believe I pressed that for like another 10-15 seconds, and then I pressed it again with everything off of it, like without the like the cover on it, for like another like 20 seconds just to make sure everything is adhered. So right here I'm just trying to make sure it's straight. And yes, the shirt is clean, it's just black, shows everything on my camera. I don't know why, it's just maybe it's the camera I have on my phone, but it shows every little mark on the shirt. But yeah guys, I'm just pressing this, and yeah, for about 10-15 seconds, maybe even 20. But yeah, I pretty much just press it one last time at the end here, you'll see that. But yeah, that's the front of the shirt. I love it. It is super cute. Like, I don't know, I like the holographic behind it. It is so pretty. But yeah, I'm just showing you what it looks like on the shirt. And yeah, I hope you guys like this. I think it's cute. Right here, I already did press the holographic because it was hard to line up. But so I lined that up there, and then now I'm going to put the Instagram logo on there, and then after I'm done pressing that, I'm going to press the back part on it. I want to remind you, I am pressing almost everything for about 10 seconds. I want to say like 15 seconds the most. And then at the end, I'm doing one long press just so then it adheres all well at the end when everything is put together. But yeah, I'm just putting on her little Instagram tag and all of that, which that's what she asked for, which I think is super duper cute. And I definitely want to make my own business shirts, because I haven't even made my own. I always make other people's, but I never do my own. But yeah guys, I'm pressing this for another like 30 seconds, and that's what this one looks like. I'm trying to have my cameraman show you what it looks like. But yeah, that's what they look like at the end. Those are the pink ones. I did not show how I made those because I literally did the same steps as I did with the purple and gold ones. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a fat thumbs up, and don't forget to drop some like ideas for me to make. Like, I want to do a lot more videos. I'm gonna try and upload a video every day this month, at least every other day. You know, it's December, and pretty much I can't do like a vlogmas like until I get a right vlogging camera. But so I'm gonna try and post as many of these type of videos for you. But all right guys, thanks for watching.